Hey, what's up, guys? Today, I'm here to talk about something that's on everyone's mind, how to turn her on. Yeah, we're diving deep into some tips and tricks to help you create that spark and keep the fire burning. Let's get into it. First off, confidence. And I don't mean arrogance. Confidence is about being comfortable in your own skin. Stand tall, make eye contact, and show her that you're sure of yourself. Women find confidence incredibly attractive because it shows you can handle whatever comes your way. Next up, listen to her. I can't stress this enough. Truly listening to what she has to say, paying attention to the little details and remembering them shows that you care. It's not just about waiting for your turn to speak. Be genuinely interested. Now let's talk about touch. Gentle, subtle touches can go a long way. A light touch on the back of her hand, a gentle brush against her arm. These small gestures can build a strong connection and create an intimate atmosphere. Just make sure to read her body language and go at a pace she's comfortable with. Humor, guys. A good sense of humor is incredibly sexy. Making her laugh can ease any tension and help her feel more relaxed around you. Share a funny story or a silly joke, but remember, it's all about timing. Don't force it. All right, let's not forget compliments. Everyone loves to feel appreciated. Compliment her on something genuine, something you truly find amazing about her. Maybe it's her smile, her outfit, or something she's passionate about. Make it sincere. Creating the right ambience is key. Set the mood with some soft lighting, maybe some candles and some smooth jazz. Creating a comfortable environment can help both of you feel more at ease and open to connecting on a deeper level. Lastly, be yourself. Authenticity is incredibly attractive. Don't try to be someone you're not, because it's exhausting and she'll eventually see through it. Embrace who you are, and if she's the right one, she'll appreciate you for it. So to recap, confidence, listening, subtle touch, humor, genuine compliments, setting the right mood, and being yourself. These are the keys to turning her on and creating a meaningful, intimate connection. Remember, guys, respect and consent are paramount. Always make sure she's comfortable and on the same page as you. That's it for today. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and leave a comment below sharing your experiences or any other tips you might have. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.